Yeah. Paul Tran.
So I cough so hard those docs wanna find me. But first I gotta find me. What's my pathology report? Can you please remind me? Cough so hot, chest pain's crazy. I'm short of breath, just don't chase me. Hemolysis in 50%, coughing up blood like it's gravy. Cough so hot, got no air. Trying to talk, my voice ain't there. Cough so hot, no repair. Secondhand smoke, that ain't fair. Large cell, small cell, squamous, take your pick. Adeno, carcinoma, that's sick. Cough so hot, necrosis. Breathe in that asbestos. Environment fits in, but you can't hide that. Familial risk. Also hot flat PV loop. Get that lung paralysis too. Aspirate that aspirate. Metastasis make my brain glue. Cough so hot my lungs faded. Dips me up for like 6 days. Tissue diagnosis. Forget that. Get some x-rays. Cough so hot. Radiate. Chemotherapy. Hey. Nausea. Fatigue. All those drugs will make you pay. Cough so hot those doctors wanna find me. Bad airway. Bad airway. Bad airway. Cough so hard those doctors wanna find me. Bad airway. Bad airway. Bad airway. Adenocarcinoma is peripheral. Those smokers like, whoa. Treatment is not drugs, but surgical. Allergies and sweat, mucus balls. Cough so hot. Bad airway. Make you pay. Cough so hot. Why I smoke all those cigarettes? Ain't my thing. Quit so you never be around doctors like this again. Squamous cell, ain't no gland. Smoke got it, I am a man. In situ or romance. I'm just saying, pathologists get it right if you ask me. Those keratin curls make those cells be ugly. What's small cell, doctor? What's large cell, doctor? What's TMN, doctor? Lung cancer's the killer, but we're treating it better. Those patients living longer and are going gorillas, huh?